Hi, we're about to do an 8-minute Hindu push-ups, jumping jacks, Tabata workout with the leg pendulum. But first, we're going to throw in some frog jumps for good measures. So get ready, go. Touch the ground, jump up, touch the ground, jump up. And notice how I'm not just bending from the waist, I'm sticking my butt back, bending from my knees, doing a squat, and jumping like a frog. Stop. Jumping jacks, you've done these since you were a kid, but we got to have good form, so get ready. Go. Jumping jacks, and I notice how I'm touching my fingers together above my head, and feet are about shoulder width apart when they're open. I want you to touch your fingers together above your head. Open up those shoulders, open up that rotator cuff. It's good for it. Stop and down. Hindu push-ups, my favorite exercise. Getting the downward dog, head down, butt up. Get ready. Go. Bend your elbows, nose, chest, hips, and then end up with the upward dog with your head up. Exhale as you go down. Breathe as you go back. Inhale as you go back to the starting position. Yeah, breathe. You got to breathe. All right. Stop and up. Now we're going to do the leg pendulum. A little bit of footwork here, so get ready. And go left, right, and your right leg up, and right, and your left leg up. And try to take your leg and put it straight up from your hip, horizontal to the ground, and then try to keep your torso vertical. A lot harder than it looks. So right, and then left, left. Stop. Okay, that's the order. It's not going to change. Back to the beginning. Frog jumps. Get ready. Go. Touch the ground. Jump like a frog. Stick that butt back. Bend those knees. And exhale as you compress. You can jump higher than me. I'm old. You can jump higher than me. Jump all the way up there. Bend all the way down. Touch the ground. Full range of motion. Stop. Jumping jacks. Go with the jumping jacks. Don't forget to breathe. I exhale about every other jumping jack. It might be a little bit different from you, but you should get into a rhythm. Go fast as you can, but do not sacrifice form for speed, because you want it to be effective. Stop and back down. Hindu push-ups. Downward dog, head down, butt up. Get ready to bend those elbows. Go. Nose, chest, hips, bending those elbows. You should almost scrape your nose on the ground when you come through. Exhale as you go down. Inhale as you return to the starting position. Stop and up. Leg pendulum again. A little bit of footwork. Get ready to step on your left. Go left, right leg up, right, left leg up. Try to put that leg all the way up so it's parallel with the ground. I'm doing pretty good with this. But what's hard is to try to keep your torso vertical. That's the hard part. Stop. Okay, I want you to take a 30-second break. Take a few deep breaths. Get a sip of water. Did you know you could track all day activity, your steps, distance, and calories burned? Use 24/7 heart rate to track resting heart rate. Get Fitbit Inspire 2. Link in the description. All right, we're going to get ready for round 2. 10 seconds. Order is exactly the same, folks. So here we go with frog jumps. And go. Frog jump, touch and jump. Touch the ground and jump. Stick that butt back. Bend those knees. Engage those glutes and quadriceps. Stop. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go with jumping jacks fast as you can with good form. Don't sacrifice form for speed. Stop and down Hindu push-ups. Downward dog with the head down and the butt up. Get ready. Go, nose, chest, hips. Nose, chest, hips. Bend those elbows. You should almost be doing like a head plant there as you lower yourself. Exhale as you come down. Inhale as you come back up. Stop and up, leg pendulum again. A little bit of footwork. Get ready. Left, and right leg up. Right, left leg up. Good. Try to get that leg all the way up, parallel to the deck, while keeping your torso vertical. This will work your entire leg, especially that glute and that quadricep. Stop. Frog jumps with 2 minutes to go. Get ready. Go. Touch, jump, touch, jump. Very good. Doing a squat. Stick that butt back. Stop. Jumping jacks. Get ready. Go. Jumping jacks fast as you can. Good form. Touch your fingers together above your head. Feet a little wider than shoulder width. Go, go, go. Don't forget to breathe. Stop and down Hindu push-ups. Butt up, head down. Go, nose, chest, hips. Bend your elbows, nose, chest, hips. Good. Exhale as you come down. Stop and up. Leg pendulum. Get ready. Go. Left, right leg up, right, left leg up. Should have it down now. A little bit of a dance lesson. Great exercise though. Using that whole leg, the entire leg, and the glute and the quad. And stop. Okay, if this workout somehow was too short for you, you can rewind it and you repeat it as many times as you want. Like this video if you like it, and make sure to click on this video right here for your next fat burning workout. That's it. That's all. See you next time.